Hi everybody, this is Diana from SyS, and today we're going to make a simple recipe, and that's how to make delicious turkey wraps. We're going to use some of the fast food sauces that we've made in previous videos, and they're going to come out amazing. And as always, the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below. To make these wraps, we're going to need a tortilla, and on top of it, we're going to spread some of this delicious garlic sauce. I'm going to leave you the link for this sauce in the info box below, but if you want, you can use just mayonnaise, and we're going to add as little or as much as we want. And on top of it, I'm also going to use some of that hamburger sauce that we made, but you can also use mustard, and I'm also going to leave you the link for this recipe in the info box below. Now we're going to place either 1 or 2 pieces of lettuce. On top of it, we're going to use some turkey. You can also use ham if you want. Then on top of it, we're going to use bacon. We're also going to place some avocado. And we're going to finish it off with 2 slices of tomato. Now we're going to fold in the end and the sides and roll it up. We're going to cut it in half, and that's all we need to make these delicious turkey wraps. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.